friends, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to convert units of measurement. So the first thing that you need to remember is horse to fly, multiply, fly to horse, divide, of course. So what this means is, as a visual, if I had smaller smiley faces than this, would I need more or less of them to fill the jar? Well, if I'm going from big to smaller smiley faces, I'm going to need more smiley faces to fill this jar. But if the smiley faces were bigger than this, I'm going from these small smiley faces to big smiley faces, I would need less of them to fill this jar. So we're going to divide to get that smaller number. So let's do a problem together. I have 24 ounces that I want to convert to cups. I'm going to take this 24, and I'm going to ask myself, which one is bigger, ounces or cups? Well, cups is bigger. Ounces is smaller, so we're going small to big, meaning fly to horse, divide, of course. So this tells me that we are going to be dividing. And I take this 24. Now to figure out what I'm dividing by, I need a conversion chart. Unless you have this memorized, which is awesome. But in case you don't, you should have a conversion chart. So I know that there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. So if I have 8 ounces in 1 cup, I'm going to take this 8. And that is what I'm dividing by. Basically, you're not going to divide by the 1. So 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. So that means I'm going to have 3 cups. So I want to know how many pints are in 5 quarts. Well, I'm going to look at quarts and pints. Ask myself which one is bigger. Quarts are bigger. So we are moving big to small, horse to fly, multiply. I'm going to take the number that we have. And now I need to figure out what goes here. So from here, I'll look at my reference sheet to see how many pints are in a quart. If you need a reference sheet, I made one that I will link in the bottom down below. So there are 2 pints in 1 quart. I'm going to take this 2, and that is what I'm multiplying. And then 5 times 2 equals 10. So that means you will need 10 pints to fill 5 quarts. Or 5 quarts is going to equal 10 pints. Last one, I have 124 quarts that I want to convert to gallons. First things first, I ask myself, which one's bigger? Quarts or gallons? Well, gallons is bigger. So we are moving small to big. So fly to horse, divide, of course. Then I'm going to take my number that I do have, 124, and I'm going to look at my measurement sheet to see how many quarts are in a gallon. So I know that there are 4 quarts in a gallon. So I'm going to take this 4, and that's what I'm dividing by. And that will give you 31. So 124 quarts will be converted into 31 gallons. All right, so there's your mini lesson on how to convert units of measurements. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.